Look at this. It says, find the n term this of the AP 11, 4, and minus 3. Okay? Because it's an AP, we can use this formula. But we need to simplify it for the term. The first one is 11. We don't know n. The common difference is this minus this will give us minus 7. This, minus 3, minus 4. That will give us minus 7. So you can see two of them are both minus 7. Therefore, we agree that this is minus 7, the common difference. So therefore, it's 11 plus minus 7n plus 7, which is equal to 11 minus 7n plus 7, which is 18 minus 7n. Okay? Hope you understand this. Thank you.